Hey, what's going on today, guys? So, I actually just got these new Spider-Man shoes. They look really freaking cool. They're supposed to be modeled after like the neon green stealth suit. I don't know if you've seen that in the video games, but it's in there and that's what they're supposed to be modeled after. But I'm going to get these unboxed and show you guys what's up because I think they're pretty cool. So guys, reason for the lack of setup. My parents are going through a divorce, and anytime I put my setup here, my mom just moves all my shit around in the basement, and I just can't keep on going through that trouble. So, let's just get this unboxed. So check this out. This already comes in a Marvel themed box. Okay, so first thing I want to say about these, the color is so much better in person than it does look on the website, because there's so many pictures where they like dulled it down, they made it sort of gray, but oh my gosh, these look sweet, man. Let's see, I don't know if you guys can see it, but let's see, check that out. So there we got the Spider-Man logo right there in the shoe. I don't know, I'm really digging these neon green. You got the issue 1 stamp right there. But I like these, man. These are cool. I'm really happy I got these. If you guys want to see the bottom of the shoe, there's that. But yeah, I'm really happy with these. I thought they looked awesome. I got them for a good price. Originally they were priced at 100. He brought them back down to 70. I offered them 50, and then they sort of met me in the middle, and I think I got them for like 65 or something like that. But overall, man, I'm happy with this. I think these are really cool. But as always, guys, thank you for watching. Helps me out a lot if you could drop a sub and go follow me on my socials. And other than that, see y'all in the next one.
We gon' tear their ass up, simple as that.